In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Hostinger password. If you've found yourself unable to access your Hostinger account, don't worry. This is something easily fixed, and I'm here to guide you through every step of the way. First, let's go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to the Hostinger login page. You might already have this bookmarked, but if not, just type in the Hostinger website URL directly into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll notice the login area on the page. Right below the login fields, there's a small link that says Forgot Password. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Hostinger account. This is important, so double-check to make sure there aren't any typos. Once you've done that, click on the Send Reset Link button. This will trigger an email from Hostinger containing a special link for resetting your password. Head over to your email inbox and refresh it if necessary. If you don't see the message within a few minutes, make sure to check your spam or junk folder, as it might have ended up there. When you receive the email, open it and look for the button or link to reset your password. Click on it, and it will direct you to a new page specifically for creating a new secure password. On this page, you'll need to enter your new password. A good rule of thumb here is to choose one that is strong and unique. Aim for a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to add security. Once you're satisfied with your new password, enter it again in the confirmation field to ensure there are no errors. After that, click the Reset Password button. If everything looks good, you'll receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully changed. Now you can go back to the Hostinger login page and enter your email address and your freshly created password. You should be able to log in without any issues. Remember, it's always a great idea to keep a record of your passwords in a secure place or use a reputable password manager. This protects your accounts and saves you from the hassle of resetting passwords frequently. That's it. Resetting your Hostinger password is as straightforward as that. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're back to managing your website with ease. If you have any more questions about Hostinger or anything else, feel free to check out our other videos or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.